Hello, welcome to Organic Acting. I'm Chris Conway and this is How to Become an Actor Insider Secrets. So this video is for you if you are just starting out at the beginning of your acting career, or if you've always wanted to become an actor and you wanted to know the first steps. Either way, I'm in a great position to offer you this advice. I've been in the industry for 20 years. I went to drama school. I've even worked as an agent, so I can really give you some insider tips to help jumpstart your career. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I will give you my most important insider tip for becoming an actor. The first thing I want to talk about is experience. So if you are first starting out or you want your career to go anywhere, you need to find experience in stage and screen. If you're at school, are you studying drama? Can you be part of any drama clubs or societies? Can you find work outside of your studies? Can you look for drama clubs? Can you look for people that are putting on plays? Anything and everything is useful to you. All this is going to hone your technique, your acting style. You're going to learn about the kind of techniques that you like, the areas of working that you like, and most importantly, it's going to be something that you can add to your CV. No one's going to take you on if you don't have experience. Can I be in your Netflix television movie? You want to be in my Netflix television movie? I certainly do. You ain't no actor. This is super important. If there was one thing I wish I'd known when I first came out of drama school, or that I would have practiced more, that is the art of networking. I can't tell you how important it is to build up a network, to find out who is operating nationally, globally, who the casting directors are, who the agents are, who's making film, who's making theatre, who's running the big theatres in the country. The more you network, the more people realise you are there. If you don't network, you're invisible. You can't operate in a bubble. You need to network. So join networking events, go and see plays, go and watch film festivals, try and meet the directors, reach out to people, let people know that you're an actor, that you're interested in working and that you'd like to help out in any way possible. The more you can network, the more you are putting yourself out there, showing your face, and people will remember you. Headshots. So headshots are an actor's calling card. They are the first thing a casting director or an agent or a director will look at. It's a sad state of affairs that some of these people might actually look at your headshot before they look at your CV. Imagine if you are casting a commercial, you are casting to type, the kind of face this actor has. So the headshot is so essential to our industry. And what do I mean when I say headshot? Well, it should be head, upper chest to the top of the head, that's a headshot. It should be a 10:8, or that's the standard in the UK industry. A colour headshot, and it should be an accurate representation of you. So it's not a glamour shot. It's not something that makes you look completely beautiful or something that a model would have. It needs to be an honest representation. It should be a good quality photo. So the kind of person that you're looking for to take these photos needs to be a headshot photographer, preferably an actor's headshot photographer, because they know how to take the photo best, how to light it, how to frame it, the composition of the photo, and how that is going to sell you as an actor. Now, this is where you need to do a little bit of homework. You can do a Google search for these photographers, absolutely, but you will need to go onto their website and look at the photos they've already taken. Is their type of photo going to be appropriate for you and will represent your type and your look? Bit of an insider tip here, you really want a photographer that can capture your eyes. The eyes are the windows of the soul. So have a look at some of their work and see some of the photos that they've taken, some of the actors that they've taken photos of, and whether their eyes sparkle. Agents. To be or not to be? That is the question. So, do you need an agent? I can't really answer that one. I myself went to drama school. When I came out of drama school, I graduated, I got an agent and they started to find me work. I know someone that I studied with when I was 16, 17, 18, who didn't go to drama school, who went straight into the industry, who networked, as I've spoken before, got to know television makers and filmmakers, and he was there in the middle of it all. He didn't need an agent, he was finding the work himself. So it's a difficult question to answer. However, what I would say is it can be more challenging to try and find work yourself, and some would argue the type of work you find maybe on the Mandy network that we have in the UK won't be as high profile as the jobs you will find through an actual accredited agent. So an agent will find you some of the best commercials, some of the best television, some of the best film and theatre. So it's a kind of a balancing act really. If you're just starting out, it's good to find your own things and to find your own experience and to network, but eventually you might want to find yourself an agent. And finally, my top secret insider tip for auditions: give something different. What do I mean by this? I mean, if you are going into any audition, whether it's for the theatre, whether it's for film, television, commercial, these people holding the auditions have seen 1,000,001 people before you. What you don't want to do is go in there and give the same hackneyed audition they've seen 1,000,001 times. Go in there, stick to the character, stick to the script, absolutely, stick to the given circumstances, but try and give a little something, a little spice, a little element of you that is particular to you, that only you can offer. Give them some reason to sit up and take notice. I don't mean do anything silly or dangerous, but give an element of your personality that shines through. This is the kind of audition which is gonna gain you work, which is gonna succeed. It's gonna make people take notice. Even if you don't get the job, they might remember you. They might remember you for another job, or they might suggest you to one of their agent or casting director friends. So always try and give this little je ne sais quoi of yourself. Which one of the tips in this video did you find the most useful? Which one are you going to use? Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I've been Chris Conway and I will see you next time. Bye bye.